Saturday,
Last Saturday,
Alan went to a museum.
Alan went to a museum.
We saw rockets
He saw rockets
and airplanes.
and airplanes.
He took these pictures.
He took these pictures.
Last Saturday,
Last Saturday,
Joy went to an amusement park.
Joy went to an amusement park.
She went on a roller coaster.
She went on a roller coaster.
She ate a hot dog
She ate a hot dog
and some French fries.
and some French fries.
She took these pictures.
He took these pictures.
Last Saturday,
Last Saturday,
Jim and Sue went to the beach.
Jim and Sue went to the beach.
They went swimming
They went swimming
and had a picnic.
and had a picnic.
They found seashells.
They found seashells.
They took these pictures.
They took these pictures.
Yes, right. When did Alan go last Saturday?
When did Alan go last Saturday?
Where did Alan go last Saturday?
Where did Alan go last Saturday?
Alan went to a museum. What did Joy do at the amusement park?
What did Joy do at the amusement park?
She
She
went on a
roller coaster.
Yes, right. When did Jim and Sue go to the beach? When did
Jim and Sue went to the
go
beach?
to the beach?
Go to the beach.
They
They
went
went swimming
and had
had
a
picnic.
yes, right. Did they find any seashells?
Yes. Yes, they found.
Yes, they found. Okay. Three mouth,
Mouse,
teeth.
teeth.
He has three teeth in his mouth.
He has 3 teeth in his mouth.
Mother,
Mother,
father,
father,
dad.
dad.
Her mother and father are by that tree.
Her mother and father are by that tree.